capitalists to start a new organizations in this. So let me take you to the slide, and I'll just put a pause, like if you have some questions, and then we will go ahead. So students, like if you have, please come up with your questions, and then we'll. Hello. Hello. Am I audible? Yeah. Hi, Prithvi. Hi, everyone. Thanks for this first session. And so let me share my screen. ChatGPT, right? So this is all a generative AI. So how it works in the background? So basically, what it will do is it will have. So if you let me put my slide here. So basically, how it works is basically it will have a large language models, and it will take this your images, pictures, text documents, and whatever it is, and you have your generative AI, and you will have your output. So this is how this large language models or generative AI works. Okay, uh, so this generative AI, I'll come to this, like, so how this generative AI works. So what exactly you can do is, like, see this generative AI, this large language model. So whatever you are, whatever this Chat GPT is developing, right? So this Chat GPT is not only the thing. Mostly now Google has launched its own version, like Bard. So what happens is in like coming future, like whatever the Google you are seeing, it will be completely replaced with the large language models and the chatbots. So basically this what this large language, so for example, like let's say I will show you one example. So everything now what they are doing is, so now, so for example, let's say I want to connect MQTT from IoT device. Please write a Python code. See, basically what happens is, like, see now everything is completely replacing by this large language models. See, you can see, right? So now you don't need to write so most of the companies what they are doing is, so they are writing they are using the chat GPT, and they are replacing the developers, means they are adopting this chat GPT for every developer, to use this large language models and bring that code and or anything, and reduce their the human efforts. So now you don't need to search the internet, bring the code. So ChatGPT will write everything for your IoT devices, like, so it will write your Python code within fraction of seconds, and you can take it and you can compile it. Okay, so this is the new generative new concept for the young buddies or young entrepreneurs. I mean, like, where the most venture capitalist is looking for ideas. So how do you start? How do you build up your ideas in, in industry 4.0? So there are many things, since you are embedded programmers, right? So there are many things. One of the best example I can show you is, so this is a world class Mercedes branch. So if you want to build some ideas, like, so as an embedded programmer, so what research we are currently doing is, Android Automotive, right? So you can build chatbots with Android Automotive projects. You can build, some very good ideas, like whatever the, like, for example, you can take the data from Canvas. You can use LLM models to detect the PIDs, and you can, you can tell the, you can use large language models. You can build an app. You can, you can take the Canvas data, and you can, you can tell the car driver or owner, like, what exactly your car is going to do. You can do the predictive maintenance of the cars. You can do predictive maintenance of your machines, in industrial automation. You can do a cyber security approaches. You can do thousands of things in the large language models. This is what some ideas in terms of embedded or industry. For example, like, I will show you some examples. If you can do research, predictive maintenance using chat gpt, you can call this, you don't call it as a chat gpt, it is, we can say this as a, uh, predictive maintenance. See, in industrial automation, why you will do industrial automation, you have to do some kind of predictions on the machines, right? So using this chat gpt, you can do the predictive maintenance. These are all, you, as a embedded developers in electronics and instrumentation, you can use this chat gpt either at the edge level or at the cloud level, and you can bring thousands of, ideas, and you can reach out to the venture capitalist. So, but how to reach out the venture capitalist? That, to reach out these angel investors or venture capitalists, you should have a strong business model, which you need to prepare with the Gen AS. For example, you should prepare your business streams. For example, uh, so you need to prepare your business model, a small business model. What exactly your project is, what exactly that project, how exactly the project will be the unique, and how you are going to, you know do the changes in the current industrial form. The small business models you can do. The easiest thing which you can do as a, I'm like, as a buddy programmer is, Hyderabad Microsoft is there, right? So Hyderabad Microsoft also providing one course for the young buddy engineers. You can go with to Microsoft with your ideas, and they will also assist you. It's not only those, many things, like T Hub is there, so you can reach out to T Hub there. All these, in industry experts will be there. They will also guide you, if you reach out to T Hub in Hyderabad, and they will, they will capitalize your ideas. So you can present your ideas at that, T Hub and Microsoft, Google, and everything. Most of the companies, but so this is a very novel and innovative concepts which now angel investors are looking out, with respect to the large language models. I'm calling this as Chat GPT for your easy understanding and the approachability. So I will put a pause for your questions, like Steam. Like, if you can have some questions, then I will take it up, and then I will. Hello. Okay. So coming to this, uh, coming to this. What exactly the services in the Gen AI is, it's not only for the venture capitalist guys. Like, if you, most of the companies, if you are going for stepping into this, this IT world, right? So even most of the companies are looking the experience in the, AI side. See, this Gen AI can bring a lot of potential opportunities. So if you can go to this, the Gen AI and the details like LLMs and large AI, I mean, like especially if you are going for MS or anything, so you should potentially look what exactly this Gen AI is offering. That is like prompt engineering, data engineering, integration, and responsible AI. So what is prompt? Like, see, prompts are nothing but the one which you are dealing with, right? So now I have given one command to the Gen AI, and now I got the output, right? So this is all called prompt engineering. No, this is all new technologies which is now evolving in the market, and now even the small idea you can develop is like how you can write something instead of writing me the prompts. If you give me in the English, and you can develop some idea to or a code that it will write the prompts. Why it's not revolutioning like this also. So actually this chat gpt in it is doing the PCB design also. So there is a one company which came into the market, is like this they have designed one tool. If you give the existing idea, it is, and if you tell your complete what exactly you're doing, this chat gpt is completely designing the PCB boards also. So these are all, as an embedded developers, you can come in the in terms of like industrial automation or embedded systems, guys. Like, and basically, if you concentrate more on this chat GPT or generative AI, you have a lot of things. You will get a lot of ideas where you can, as a buddy engineers or buddy entrepreneurs, if you come up with the ideas, there are many companies in the market, like which can help you out in setting up your practice. And I have seen many, the buddy entrepreneurs who are starting this, but the ideas are unlimited, the use cases are unlimited. Only the thing is, so what exactly you need to do is you need to come up with an idea, like what exactly I can do. So my suggestion is to the buddy enterprises, please concentrate on this automotive embedded. So basically automotive chips are this, the vehicle ECUs, right? So like the ECUs microcontrollers, most of the ECUs you will use microcontroller ARM chips or chips also. So how do you bring this chat GPT into the ARM chipsets? How can you connect with the CAN controllers? How to analyze the data coming from the CAN controllers? And and if you can bring it to this industrial automation also, like PLCs, if you bring this chat GPT to PLCs and make PLCs more intelligent also, then the world is at your feet. I'm like, there are so many people who are waiting at Wipro. So what we are doing is, Wipro, we are sponsoring Gen AI entrepreneurs also. You can see the, so uh, so at Wipro, we are also, we are committing like 1 billion, investing, and we are welcoming the buddy entrepreneurs or investors who comes with a definitely ideas. So we have our own practice, and definitely like you can also, come up with your ideas, and definitely our team, we have our own team inside, and we will evaluate your ideas. And if that really goes well, and I'm like at Wipro also, we are also sponsoring these ideas. Like, so how to come up with this approach? There are few, you can search in the internet. So you should come up with a proper business plan. Like, what is your product, and what exactly you are solving the market, how innovative it is, and what exactly the return of investment you can bring out. So as a buddy engineer, you should concentrate on these 4 points and prepare your slides, and you can approach any venture capitalist for your funding. So most of the people are ready to fund your ideas if this is innovative. So that's it from my side, Prithvi, like for now.
Oh, okay. Students, if you have any questions to interact on funding opportunities, you can ask. So this lecture is not meant for transferring the technology. Just to give you an idea of how to start a firm in the industrial automation or some industry 4.0 related things. So it's a brief
Yes, Sheikh.
introduction he has given.
I think that there is one Sheikh. Yeah.
So if the students, anybody is interested in taking up these challenges, you can ask him towards the guidance, how to establish the and how to approach the angel investors for the investment.
It's not only for the angel investment, guys. Like it is the whole world how it is changing now. In industrial automation, also, like what exactly the new things you can develop in terms of like you can become entrepreneurs in the companies itself. Like no, you don't need to start your own company. Means you can. Most of the companies is yeah, Sheikh. You please go ahead. I will continue. Sheikh. Hello. I got a one question from Sheikh. Yes, Sheikh. Um, yes, Rajesh, please. Yes, Rajesh, go ahead. Uday, is it? I think they are in mute. Yes, Rajesh. So, anything related to the venture capitalist and new ideas, like definitely you can take my number and name from Prudvi. Definitely, we are here to help you out. Please approach us with your ideas, or we will give you ideas. Like if you want to start something out, so at Wipro or T Hub, and definitely we will support you guys. So thanks, Prudvi. Uh,
Okay, thank you, Girdhar, for your valuable time for sharing with us. Thank you very much.
thank you.
So, okay, now you can leave the meeting.